And we're back with the top 5 cruise ships I'm excited to see in 2019. So let's get started. Number 1. Carnival Panorama. From Carnival Cruise Lines, the Panorama, voted the most anticipated new cruise ship, will debut in December 2019. It will be the third vessel in the Vista class of cruise ships. The ship will be 1,055 feet or 322 meters long and carry up to 3,934 passengers. There will be a total of 14 decks and 1,832 staterooms across 12 of those decks. Attractions include the Sky Zone, featuring a 3,000 square foot trampoline park. Imagine 12 lanes of gravity-defying dodgeball and slam dunk basketball. Located on decks 7 and 8, it will also feature a climbing wall, a jousting beam, ladders, and tug-of-war. Oh, and at night, Sky Zone will host blacklight glow parties. Built for serious splashing, Waterworks Aqua Park will feature spiraling water slides, a splash zone, and a raft slide built for 2, all at sea. The Panorama will also feature Skyride. This attraction allows passengers to bike pedal high above the panorama's deck, offering sweeping views of the ocean. The Panorama will feature 12 restaurants on board, including some favorites such as Guy's Burger Joint and Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue Smokehouse and Brew House. Also look out for Bonsai Sushi and Seafood Shack. The ship will be based out of Long Beach, California, with sailing every Saturday to Cabo San Lucas, Mazatlan, and Puerto Vallarta. Number 2. Sky Princess. From Princess Cruise Lines, the Sky Princess will take sea travel to new heights. Debuting in October 2019, the Sky Princess will be in the Royal class of ships. The ship will be 1,083 feet long and carry up to 3,934 passengers. There will be a total of 14 decks and 1,834 staterooms across 10 of those decks. On launch, Sky Princess will be one of the largest cruise ships in the world. It'll offer unique features such as Sea Walk, a glass-enclosed walkway over the ocean. Boasting a 3-deck reception area, the ship will invoke old-world charm at sea with the breathtaking piazza. A spiral staircase and several glass-walled elevators will provide panoramic views of the area. And just like Old World Europe, the piazza will feature roving street performers doing amazing feats, while guests sip on gourmet coffee or wine. What is sure to be a hit with the young and old, the ship will also feature movies at sea in an open-air cinema. The poolside area will be a go-to destination for films, thrilling concerts, and exciting sporting events on screen. But the Sky Suites will really be something to get excited about. Featuring 270-degree panorama views, these luxuriously furnished rooms will boast an over 1,000 square foot continuous balcony, largest at sea. Sky Princess will offer 12 dining options for guests, including anytime dining and chocolate journeys, featuring some of the most decadent handcrafted treats exclusively for Princess. And imagine a luxurious breakfast or romantic dinner at sea with open views as far as the eyes can see. Sky Princess will debut with Mediterranean cruises sailing out of Barcelona and Athens before sailing west to beautiful Fort Lauderdale in 2020. Number 3. Norwegian Encore. From Norwegian Cruise Lines, the Encore will feature thrill and chill. Debuting in November 2019, the Encore will be part of the Breakaway Plus class of ships. The ship will be 1,070 feet or 326 meters long and carry up to 4,620 passengers. There will be a total of 20 decks and 2,174 staterooms across 12 of those decks. The lost city of Atlantis will be resurrected on the stern of the ship in the form of an epic laser tag adventure. Face your friends or uncover hidden treasure using augmented reality. The largest open-air laser tag at sea. If laser tag is not your thing, then the Encore is proud to offer floor-to-ceiling windows, providing spectacular seascapes, landscapes, and cityscapes. This 180-degree indoor observation lounge will offer Norwegian's most expansive views at sea. Last year, we were wowed by the first ever racetrack at sea on the Norwegian Bliss, and like the name says, Encore gives us an even larger track, over 1,100 feet of pedal-to-the-metal action. But this last highlight has us booking the first journey we can on the Encore, and it's called Galaxy Pavilion, a virtual reality world like nothing we have seen yet at sea. Norwegian Encore offers a wide range of accommodations designed for all types of cruisers. The Haven by Norwegian will offer unparalleled luxury. Norwegian Encore will call Miami home base when it launches with 7-day Eastern Caribbean cruises. In 2020, it will move to New York with cruises to Bermuda. Number 4. MSC Grandiosa. From MSC Cruise Lines, the Grandiosa will be the grandest ship of them all. Debuting in December 2019, the Grandiosa will be the first of the Meraviglia Plus class ships. The ship will measure 1,092 feet, or 332 meters long, and carry up to 6,300 passengers. There will be a total of 2,405 staterooms and 1,700 crew. The MSC Grandiosa will be the first to feature Cirque du Soleil at sea, and an illuminated promenade highlighted by a digital sky LED screen measuring 95 meters by 6 meters. In addition, the Grandiosa will also feature the first full-size bowling alley at sea, but I only see 2 lanes here. With 2 F1 simulators, you can race your family and friends. In February 2019, MSC officially revealed their in-cabin digital assistant, Zoe, an artificial intelligence device available in all passenger staterooms. The ship offers 12 new and creative dining options, including the exclusive Yacht Club Fine Dining Restaurant, and the buffet is open 20 hours per day. The Grandiosa will call Barcelona home when it debuts and will offer 7-day Western Mediterranean cruises. Number 5. Scarlet Lady. From Virgin Voyages and the minds of Sir Richard Branson comes their first cruise ship, Scarlet Lady. To debut in April 2020, it will be a class of its own. The ship will be 912 feet, or 278 meters long, and carry up to 860 passengers. There will be 1,430 cabins and a crew of 1,150. The Scarlet Lady will be an adults-only cruise ship where the minimum passenger age will be 18. In fact, Virgin's first ship, where tranquility meets curiosity, will have no kids, no buffets, and no limits. No limits? Whatever that means. The Aquatic Club will make guests feel like they are on a yacht. The ship will feature over 20 dining and drinking options, but no buffets, main dining rooms, or assigned dining times like you'd find on a traditional cruise ship. Virgin is building a brand new cruise terminal in Miami, where the Scarlet Lady will call home. It'll feature overnight trips to Havana, Cuba, and Bikini, Bahamas, Virgin's private islands in the Caribbean. Even though this is a 2020 cruise ship, we've included it in our list because it's open for booking now in 2019.